Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys talkback problem solve setting. How to solve talkback problem in Lava Mobile. Friends, you have talkback problem in your Lava Mobile, so how to fix, how to solve talkback problem. Friends, I am not updating my Lava Mobile. Friends, you have this problem, so how to fix this. Double tap to activate problem. By one, step by step friends, we will talk about how to fix, how to solve talkback problem. First of all guys, scroll your screen with two fingers, because friends if you use one finger you cannot scroll, you cannot fix, you cannot solve talkback problem. Use your two finger friends and scroll it. Friends, click your phone setting and friends double tap continue here. Double tap continue. After double tap friends, phone setting will on. After on phone setting friends, click here Wi-Fi setting and friends again use your two finger. Friends, click here assistant setting, intelligent assistant, double tap. Smart answer setting guys, three finger screenshot setting, friends lift to wake setting. Scroll it, friends you can see one hand mode setting. Last option friends, accessibility setting, one tap here, double tap here. Friends you will find here talkback setting, select to speak setting also. Click here, double tap. Use talkback friends, one tap, double tap, stop button, double tap, then stop back problem solve, and friends now you can use guys your Lava Mobile without talkback problem. One finger friends you can use your Lava Mobile screen. And friends again click here and friends again on talkback. Friends one tap, double tap, close your phone setting app. Friends you want to fix talkback, you want to solve talkback with shortcut settings. So how to solve talkback with shortcut setting. Use your two finger, unlock your mobile. After unlock your mobile, scroll it and click here one tap, double tap, and friends one tap here, double tap, again double tap friends, and then search your talkback setting. And when direct you can search first accessibility setting guys. First search your accessibility setting. Accessibility setting with intelligent assistant, friends one tap, double tap. Direct friends you can see talkback setting here, double tap here. Use talkback, double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem solve. So friends you can solve talkback problem friends with shortcut setting also. And friends you want to use talkback setting, so you can use talkback. How to use talkback. And friends you want to on talkback shortcut setting, so friends allow here. And friends if you click here talkback will on, and friends if you click here double tap talkback off. So friends you can use talkback shortcut setting also. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to solve talkback problem in Lava Mobile.